I don't need Apple knowing that I'm able to dissect a crawdad.
It looks so bigger.
Carter!
Minister Carter?
I just got ordained online.
Are you being serious?
No, dead serious.
Who?
All right,
Who
let's
are you
bring it back.
marrying?
So here's what we've got going on. This big structure here on either side of the body, of either side of the abdomen, is the tail muscle. This gray structure down the middle is the intestine. These kind of wider structures here, these kind of light colored ones, those are the gonads. This thing right in the middle here is his heart. And then on either, the light. On either side of the heart, you have these gray or these tan kind of colored things. Those are his digestive glands. The mandibular muscle is this structure here. There's a muscle here. And then underneath this muscle, we can't really see it, is his stomach. It's kind of inside his shell here. We didn't pull it away enough. So inside his head here is his little stomach underneath this muscle. Yeah. And then right all the way up in the middle here, kind of between his eyeballs, is a little tiny structure that makes up his brain. And the nerve that comes off his brain kind of will go all the way down the center of his body to the end of his tail.
Because you are recording.
Again, yeah, of course.
Oh, weird.
I'm gonna see if I can pull any more of the shell off, and maybe we can find his little brain in there.